it looks like we got another two snakes going into blue today. First one here is Rumpelstiltskin, my hypoboa. He did not come out yesterday or this morning, and this morning is much clearer why that is the case, as his eyes are getting very cloudy. Not the cloudiest they could be yet, but definitely very cloudy. So he is going into shed. But not just that. Cruella. Cruella too has gone into blue. And she too is ready to drop skin. So, gonna have to give your enclosure a nice good spray down, bring up your humidity. Get you guys both going and good and ready to shed. My babies is growing up. It usually goes like this. It's just a huge chain of one snake after another going into blue. And it's usually what happens. That means there will be more after you two that will go into blue until they're all done, and then it all starts again. Huh, Cruella? Yeah. I'll let you rest, girl. I'll let you rest.